According to a survey, only 5% of people have never felt guilty about buying something. The majority of us have regretted a purchase at some point in our lives, but consumers aren't necessarily the ones to blame, especially for impulse buys. No, it's really the marketers who play a huge role in selling products and services, the same marketers who constantly bombard consumers with advertisements and purchasing tactics, trying to get them to spend more money. The same marketers who use psychological tricks and cognitive biases that the Success Bistro is going to show you in this video. Number 1. Reduce the left digit by 1. Our brains encode numbers really quickly, so a smaller first digit number is enough to make the price seem a lot smaller than it actually is. Something that's $2.99 seems a lot less than $3 when you go to the store. Number 2. Choosing numbers with fewer syllables. Even though people don't normally say numbers or prices out loud, studies show that people perceive numbers that are phonetically shorter or have fewer syllables as being cheaper. $27.82 is cheaper than $28.15, but the latter has 2 fewer syllables. Number 3. Removing the comma. So research shows that removing the comma in a price or number makes it seem lower. Compare 14,000 to 14,000 with a comma. Number 4. Words that relate to a small amount. Descriptions like low maintenance are more appealing to consumers than things like high performance. By using words that relate to a smaller amount, marketers have an easier time seeming more attractive at first glance, even though both phrases are desired qualities. Number 5. Visual contrast between sales prices. Visual distinction between sale and original prices is a powerful tactic. By making the original price visually bigger, like bold or different colors, marketers make the sale price more appealing. Number 6. Decoy Effect. Consumers will tend to have a specific change in preference between 2 options when also presented with a third option that's asymmetrically dominated. Imagine that you're getting a popcorn at a movie theater and the choices are between a small for $4 and a large for $8.50. You're going to get the small. Now pretend that there are 3 options: a small for $4, a medium for $8, and a large for $8.50. Many people will go for the large because it's only 50 cents more and therefore a better value. The medium only exists to boost the sales of the large. Number 7. The Gruen Transfer. Shop layouts are often designed to be complicated, like a maze, forcing people to wander through the whole store and see more merchandise than they would normally. Ironically, this is a trick named after a mall architect who hated such manipulative techniques. Number 8. Ditch the dollar sign. Research shows that menus with items that include prices without a dollar sign or currency symbol get diners to spend more. Compare burger $5 to burger $5. Number 9. Maximize the perceived size of the discount. Retailers use the biggest number possible to label sales or discounts. For example, if you're selling a product for $50 with a discount, you'd rather put up a sign that says 20% discount rather than $10 off, even though they're both the same thing. Number 10. Staples in the back. Supermarkets especially do this. They put things like eggs or milk or butter at the very back of the store, so consumers have to walk through the whole building to get it. This makes sure that they pass by everything else. Number 11. False sense of urgency. Regardless of statements like very limited stock, or only 3 sets left, or 500 people have added this to their cart, being true or not, they create a sense of urgency that overrides careful planning and purchasing. Thank you for watching this video. Comment down below if you want a part 2 with even more psychological tricks that make consumers spend more. Don't forget to subscribe to the Success Bistro for more content like this.